What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm James. You're watching Journey into Wealth. Today is Tuesday, and you know what we do on Tuesdays? We go thrifting. So we're going to hit up DI. We're going to see if maybe I can buy another book jar of jewelry. Maybe hit a couple Goodwills. I don't know. It's going to be a short day. Maybe one or two thrift stores. We're just going to see how it goes. I told my son I would take him to the park this afternoon, so that's got to be priority number one. That is, after all, why we do this, isn't it? So come along for the ride, see what I find, and yeah, hopefully I find something good. All right, so I hurt my foot pretty good, so I'm moving slow today. Hopefully that, maybe I can find some extra stuff because I'm moving a little bit slower than usual. I feel a little bit gimpy though, but let's mask up and do this.
Just another sunny day in Southern California. It's where the people came to play. Don't let them transform you. Come and see what you've been missing on a little slice of heaven. It's the only place we're living. It's that West Coast point of view. Easy when it's always summertime fun for you and I. Every attitude. Who cares what the people think? It's been turning kinda gray in Southern California, but I'm allergic to the rain. What happened to euphoria?
We'll have to go look in the kitchenware. We're getting desperate today, I guess. There's not a whole lot really going on as far as things that are good. I am here a little bit late in the day though, so it's not, I guess, surprising to me that a lot of the good stuff is gone. They don't really stock all day like a Goodwill does or something like that. So we'll just keep looking for a little bit and then we'll bail.
Don't worry about it, don't worry about it, thing. I'm too excited. Dark liquor with the palm trees. It's all or nothing, ooh, it's all or nothing. Ignore the signs and socialize. Come and see what you've been missing on a little slice of heaven. It's the only place we're living. It's that West Coast point of view. Easy when it's always summertime fun for you and I. Every attitude. Who cares what the people?
All right, we just got done with the thrift store. We did not find hardly anything there. It was actually, I made the mistake of coming really, really late in the day. So most everything was gone, but I did end up swooping on these. $10, probably a little bit over, but they're really good condition. I think I overpaid by just a little bit. I'll still make money on them, but just not my normal margins, if you will. Also, I got some hookahs. If you don't know about these, pick these up when you see them. That's kind of a pretty common thing. They're actually, the market actually might be getting saturated, so just watch it. I picked up some Puma shorts for $3. I picked up, well, this is actually for me, but I picked up an OGO hoodie. I'm gonna wear that though, so that's for me. And then a J. Crew shirt, also for me. And then in addition to that, I got an alcohol stove for $3. It's brand new, but its packaging's kind of tore up. But it looks nice. So all in all, not a whole lot of wins there. I probably got 25 or 30 coming there, and the other pair of shoes, so maybe $60 I spent, I think. I remember it was under 25 though. So double my money-ish, and move on. Let's go to another thrift store. All right, so it's about 3:30 in the afternoon, but this is generally when Goodwill does their last last stock of the day. So we're gonna go see if we can find some stuff at the Goodwill and turn this day around. we just got done at the Goodwill. Yeah, didn't make up for the day, but we didn't do bad in there either. I grabbed a couple of these for $3.49 for actual use around my little storage unit. I ended up getting this camera, not because the camera's too terribly valuable, but the lens is actually enough to make up for the price. I got the shoes. I got a pair of Merrells. I ended up putting back the Nike cleats, but I got a pair of Merrells, a pair of Nikes, and what was the other one? I got another one in there. Oh, Kurus. So overall, I would say probably like $60 for those Kurus, because those things are pretty expensive. The Nikes and the Merrells, maybe $30 each. So 30, 60s is 120. The camera will do probably 50 after I part it out total. All in total, I spent $41.87. So not too horrible, not too bad. Didn't make up for the entire day, and definitely not as good as I do on a typical Tuesday. I'm gonna head over to hit my son's school, pick him up, and take him to the park like I promised. And then I might actually chime in a little bit later and hit a couple more thrift stores tonight, just because Tuesday is kind of my thrift store day. That's just what I do. All right, we're back. Gonna hit 2 more Goodwills tonight. Took a little break, took my kid to the park. You know, had some father-son bonding time. Kiddo's in bed, so we're gonna hit 2 more Goodwills, head to the storage unit and see what we've got, get the final count. I think today's been decent, but it has not been totally amazing. So we're gonna hopefully change that. This is the next spot. 2 more Goodwills. Let's see what we get. All right, so we just wrapped up with that Goodwill. I was just there yesterday, so there wasn't a whole lot of like new inventory. The only thing that I found that was new was that jacket. Looks like it'll probably give me about $50, give or take. Maybe. It's a small, it's not an extra large, so I'm kind of, it might be. It was $15, but I actually got the discount. I got the mug, a bow tie for my kid, and a jacket, and it came to $19.47. You got to be at $20 to get your 20% discount. So I had him charge me for the mug twice so that it would go over the $20, and then he knocked me down 20%. So I ended up getting it. It was like $16 for all of that stuff. We're going to hit 1 more Goodwill and see if we can't come up with something a little bit better than that. We've actually been having to hustle today. Generally, it's not this dry. So you don't win every day. You know, when you're hustling out here like this, you don't win every day. So it is what it is. Let's hit 1 more Goodwill and see what we do. right, so we just got done at the last Goodwill. It's 8:56 p.m. I barely made it out of there in time. I managed to snag a couple things, not fantastic things, but not bad. I don't think I did as bad as I think I did today, but I don't feel like I did great today. Took a lot of effort. I did score a good jacket. I scored a couple PS2, PS3 guns. I got a knuckle coffee mug. I've actually sold that mug a few times. Just some odds and ends. Pretty good stuff. Let me know what you think in the comments how I did today. I'll total it all up and put what I think the revenue, that's not what I profit, but the revenue of what the sales should be on that right there. So, I don't know. Let me know what you think. If you enjoyed the video, please like, favorite, comment, subscribe, do the YouTube thing. I appreciate you guys watching. Until next time, I'll see you in the next one.